Magandang buhay to everybody. This is Gil Concha. I'm one of the CEO for IMG Walt Academy Europe. I'm now back here in the Philippines because of our amazing program, okay, with IMG International Marketing Group, okay, or IMG Walt Academy. So we are here to teach you free financial literacy para sa mga Filipino sa buong mundo. Okay, so that you can learn how to manage your finances, make it grow, transfer it to the next generation, and have financial success. In short, making money work for you. In Europe, I was able to discover the very special, term called LOI or living on interest. Nagtataka mga Filipinos bakit yung mga amo nila hindi nauubos ang pera. Okay, samantalang mga Filipino, masisipag naman, tama po ba? Pero bakit ganon? Laging kinakapos. So, ano ang kulang? Magagaling naman, matatalino. I'm sure of that. Kahit saang bansa ka pumunta, may Filipino. Kailangan ng Filipino sa buong mundo. Pero bakit ganon? Sa ibang bansa, okay? Mayaman sa Japan, Japanese. Sa Korea, mayaman Koreans. Sa Russia, mayaman Russians. Sa Amerika, mayaman Americans. Sa Europe, ang mayayaman mga Europeans. Sa China, mayaman Chinese. Pero sa Philippines, sino pong mayayaman? Di ba? Bakit ganon? Magagaling ang Filipino. No question about that. But the thing is, bakit po tayo patuloy na naghihirap? Meron kasing alam si mayaman na hindi natin alam, okay? May ginagawa si mayaman na hindi kasi natin ginagawa. Here in the Philippines, pinanganak po ang isang amazing company with an amazing program and an amazing heart to help so many Filipinos worldwide to become financially literate and become financially free. Isa na po ako doon. At ang mga taong nag-invite sa inyo ngayon o naghahangad na maibahagi ito sa inyo ay dahil sa malasakit na nais po nila maparating sa inyo ang isang napakagandang mensahe na totoo, na galing sa puso, na totoo pagdating sa advokasya. Okay? Let me share with you in just a very short time. Okay? What we call the X-curve concept. Ito po yung isa sa mga natutunan ni Brother Bo Sanchez. Nung namit po siya sa airplane ng aming presidente, okay? Akala ni Brother Bo Sanchez marami na siyang alam. Pero nung nalaman niya tong X-curve concept po na ito, na talagang nag-explode yung mind niya, sabi niya, wow, I want to know more about this. Now, Brother Bo is one of our advocate, one of our ambassadors for this program. He's a member of this program. It added more millions. Definitely became multi-millionaire because of this program. So ito yung X-curve concept kung saan ang kulay green, ibibuild niyo yung inyong wealth. Ang kulay blue na yan, dapat bumaba ang inyong responsibilities. Now, on this point right here, on the left side where you have, target natin ay 6 million sana na ipon. Alright? Kaya lang sa side na ito, okay, dapat ma-realize mo muna, okay, kung saan ka nang gagaling at saan ka papunta. Gusto nating lahat ma-achieve yung financial goal. For example, 6 million. Kung kumita yan ng kahit 10% lang, 10% sa stock market, okay, 6 million, kumita ng 10%, that's 600,000 a year. That's a lot of money, okay, to spend, okay, one day. So, kaya lang, ang tanong ko sa inyo, sino sa inyo dito ang may savings na kahit 1 million lang? Di ba? Okay? So, meron siguro utang, 1 million. Pero savings, karamihan, wala po talaga. Anong gagawin natin para ma-achieve natin to? First, identify yung mga responsibilities mo. Be honest. Okay? Just be true to yourself. From this point, okay, you identify your big responsibilities, mga needs nyo, food, clothing, shelter, i-compute nyo kung magkano po siya sa isang buwan. After computing in 1 month, you multiply that to 12 months or 1 year, malalaman mo yung big responsibility mo. Say for example, 300,000 po yan. Ang iyong big responsibility ay 300,000. Okay? So kung 300,000 po siya, lumalabas po sa 300,000, okay, divided by 12, ang iyong monthly responsibilities nasa 25,000. Magkano sweldo mo? Magkano natitira? Okay? So basic po, for example lang po yan. Kaya lang, in order for you to know, okay, your your target financial goal para sa iyong retirement, times 12 mo siya, nakuha mo na yung yearly, no? Okay? All you have to do is very simple. Multiply mo yan sa 20. Okay? Yan po ang ginagamit ng mga financial advisors to help you know your financial goal, financial target. Okay? Especially for IMG, ito po ang tinuturo po talaga namin. Okay? So that's 6 million. Diyan po nanggaling ang 6 million na financial goal mo. Kasama na dyan yung inflation, pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin. Dahil kung 3 million lang ang target mo dito, okay, pagdating po dito, kulang na yan. Kaya alamin mo, okay, medyo lampasan natin ng konti yung target natin. 6 million ang dapat mong maipon. Knock on wood, habang nag-iipon ka, may nangyari sa iyo sa kalagitnaan. Either kunyari kinuha ka na ni Lord or nagkasakit ka, na baldado ka, na aksidente ka. Merong sasalo sa iyo. Okay? Kailangan mo ng tinatawag na insurance. Okay? Along the way, magkasakit ka, kailangan mo ng healthcare. Okay, kaya lang ang problema ganito. Karamihan sa atin gusto ka agad dumiretso kay St. Peter's. Ayaw mo nang dumaan kay St. Luke's. Okay, kaya isa-set natin yung priorities natin correctly. Okay, yung tinatawag nating building the solid financial foundation, the second principle which I will teach you today. Right now, mabilis lang to mga kapatid. Okay? Now, pag nag-ipon ka ng pera, ilalagay natin yan sa stock market. Let's say nakaipon ka na ng 2 million sa stock market. So, ang responsibility mo, 4 million na lang. Kung kukuha ka ng insurance, wag na 6 million. Okay? 4 million na lang. Okay? Ngayon, pag nakaipon ka na ng 4 million sa stock market, magiging 2 million na lang ang responsibilities mo. Knock on wood, may mangyari sa'yo, may matatanggap na 2 million insurance ang family mo. At itong 4 million, nandun yan sa savings o sa stock market na mamanahin din ng pamilya mo. So, total of 6 million pa rin. Now, pag ma-achieve mo na yung 6 million, okay? So, kahit di ka na kumuha ng insurance, kung yan lang sa palagay mo, ang kailangan mo. But as we all know, this 6 million is just, a projection. And even though yan talaga yung target mo, darating ang time, kukulangin pa rin po yan, lalo na kung na-extend ang buhay mo. Let's say, umabot ka ng 80 years old, which is possible. May umabot nga ng 100. Di ba? So, hindi magtatagal po yan, lalo na kung ang ugali nating mga Filipino mapagbigay masyado, no? Very generous. So, instead of giving your family fish, your relatives, giving them fish, why don't you teach them how to fish? Katulad po ng program na ito na binibigay namin, it is actually teaching every Filipino how to fish. Now, 6 million kumita ng 10% sa stock market. Once again, tawag natin dyan LOI or living on interest. Yan yung na-discover ko sa Europe. This will give you financial freedom. Dahil ang passive, ito pong investment po ay passive income. Yung employment po ninyo ay active income. So dito po, ang mga shares namin naka-invest kay Jollibee, BDO, BPI, Ayala, SM. So hanggat may Jollibee, hanggat kumikita si BPI, BDO, Ayala, SM, San Miguel, kumikita din po kami. So kung kumita si Jollibee ng 20%, kikita din kami ng 20%. Alright? So ganun po kaganda ang investment na dapat pag-aralan ng lahat ng tao, lalo na ang Filipino, sa buong mundo para magbago ang buhay today, especially yung future. Siyempre, it will take time to grow. Kaya simulan mo na bago maging huli ang lahat para sa iyo. Okay? So we need this permanent income or passive income to fund or to support our financial goal. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to make it possible, okay, meron tayong tinatawag na Rule 72, i-research niyo po yan, si Dr. Albert Einstein ang nagturo po niyan. Kaya po, mag-grow ng mabilis ang pera mo kung gagawin mo ito. Invest sa tamang lalagyan ng iyong pera. Halimbawa, ang pinangako sa iyo 2% lang na interest. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, using 72 divided by 2%, every 36 years bago madoble pera mo. Kung 29 years old ka na ngayon, yung 100,000 mo, magiging 200 pag 65 ka na. Tagal, di ba? Kaya dapat hanapin natin yung 8, mataas-taas like 8%. 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years. Every 9 years, doble pera mo. So 29 ka ngayon, same with this one, right? Pero yung 100,000 mo, walang dagdag, hindi mo rin babawasan, pinabayaan mo lang, Plus 9 years, naging 38 ka na, so 200,000 na siya. Plus 9 years, 47 ka na, naging 400,000. Plus 9 years, 56 ka na, naging 800,000. Plus 9 years, 65 ka na, naging 1.6 ang 100,000 mo. Pinabayaan mo lang. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na cycle kung ang interest ay medyo mataas. Kaya very important po yan na hanapin natin ang mataas. In fact, meron pong 12%. Hindi mo lang alam. Okay? Kasi nga, ang alam lang natin, maglagay ng pera sa bangko. Okay? So, 72 divided by 12 every 6 years, doble pera mo. Yung 100,000 magiging 6.4 million in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cycles. Every 6 years, doble pera mo. Now, magagawa mo lang yan kapag mag invest ka sa stock market. Now, kaya ang future po talaga wala po sa employment, kundi nasa investing po. Ngayon, yung iba po sa atin, dahil kulang na po sa edad o panahon, okay? So, kaya ang iba sa atin, kinakailangan magmadali. Okay? Kung meron kang savings or pera na 3.2 million at age 29, ha? 65, may 6.4 ka rin. Pero kung hindi po, imposible po kayo makaipon ng 6.4 talaga. Ngayon, kung 8% po yan, doble every 9 years, ma-achieve mo lang ang 6.4 kung may 400,000 pesos ka ngayon. Ngayon, okay? Kung ilalagay mo siya sa 12% interest, kahit kung may 100,000 ka lang ngayon, kahit 100,000 lang at age 29 nga lang, meron kang 6.4 by 65. Kaya lang, tanong ko sa inyo, ilang taong ka na ngayon? Di ba? At kailan ka pa magsisimula? Kung hindi pa namin siguro kayo nilapitan ngayon, hindi nyo po ito marirealize. Kung hindi nyo ito bibigyan ng time ngayon, kailan pa? The next generation is depending on you as well. So ito po yung solid financial foundation. Tinuturo po namin, i-build mo muna sa ilalim. Parang nag-build ng bahay. Increase your cash flow. Magkaroon ka ng healthcare protection. Dumaan ka muna kay St. Luke's bago kay St. Peter's. Karamihan insurance ka agad. At sa totoo, hindi naman talaga investment ng insurance. Insurance is insurance to protect your investment para hindi yan magalaw. Unfortunately, marami sa atin nadideceive. Okay? Hindi natin naintindihan that yung tinatawag nilang insurance being masked with investment kuno, sa totoo, at the end of the day, do your research. After 10 years or so, wala talaga, no? Halos wala talaga kayo makukuha. In fact, yung kasama ko nga po, or marami akong kasamahan at nakilala, na pagdating ng, after 10 years, kung naitabi nila o naihulog nila ay nasa 7,000 euros, ang natanggap nila less than 7,000. Sabi nga ng kaibigan ko, sana pala nilagay ko na lang sa bangko. At least hindi nabawasan, di ba? Kasi taxes, di ba? Et cetera, blah, 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 na sisingilin ka, agent commission. Grabe, no? Anyway, so dito po, increase your cash flow, have a healthcare, long-term protection. Ngayon pa lang mag-save ka na, habang bata ka pa, habang malakas ka, habang may panahon ka pa. Have an insurance, of course, that's important to protect your investment. And there is a very practical insurance na kailangan mo lang. It's called term insurance. Bayaran lahat ng utang, lalo na yung mga credit cards. Kasi kahit may savings ka sa bangko, okay, magkano ang tubo sa bangko? Walay. Diba? Tapos ang utang mo, ang tubo, what? 3% a day? Ha? O, sabihin mo na lang, 3% a month na lang. Sige, but that's 36% in 1 year. My goodness. Tapos kahit may investment ka na, di ba, 12% interest yung pinakita ko kanina, 36% ang interest ng utang mo. Talo ka pa rin, kaya pay off your debt, zero out mo yan kaagad. Talo ka, mamamatay ka, in the end, parang anay, no? Babagsak ang bahay mo one day. You need to have an emergency fund for the just in case. We don't know, maaksidente, magkasakit, matuluyan, kailangan natin ng emergency fund, of course, coupled with insurance to support it. And of course, syempre, meron ka magandang cash flow. That will support everything. That's why this is a solid financial foundation to be able to build, protect, and transfer your investments. So may formula po kaming tinuturo po namin yan during the coaching session. If you are interested to learn more, we'd be happy to teach you and to guide you. In our program, in summary, we teach you financial solution. We are in partnership with big companies that will teach and guide you, okay? Provide you with all necessary investment tools. Yung kailangan mo lang. Okay? Ang maganda dito, tuturuan ka namin maging broker ng sarili mong investment. Hindi mo na kinakailangan dumaan sa mga broker na sisingiling ka ng mataas para kumita sila ng malaking commission. Dito po, ikaw ang magiging broker ng sarili mong investment. Tapos, bibigyan ka pa ng income ng mga companies na ito by you being a broker to yourself and by sharing the program. Walang mababawa sa investment mo. Pag naghulog ka ng 1 million, buo po yan. Madadagdagan pa nga, madodoble pa, matitriple pa po yung pera mo. Bibili ka ng non-life insurance, non-life insurance, ikaw ang kikita. Tapos sa mga taong matutulungan mo, babibigyan pa ka pa kahit konti, no? Kahit konti. Sabi nga ng chick, konti, pero madami, di ba? O, grabe yan. That's the way to earn. And it's going to be passive, it's going to be massive because everybody needs this program. Sinong hindi gusto maka-discount pag bumili ng bahay, ng lupa, di ba? So dito, discounted, ikaw na mismo yung broker. Okay? If you refer people as well, marami po tayong kikitain din po dyan as an extra income to increase your cash flow. Alright? Kompleto po tayo. So yung matututunan mong ng financial solution, share mo lang, it becomes your business solution. Wala pong masama sa ginagawa pong itong programang ito because sa totoo po, tinuturo ba to sa school? Itong tinatawag nating financial literacy. So, if you find the good thing to be evil, that's gonna be a problem. Sometimes, yung akala nating, di ba? Yung tinatawag nating good, akala nating good, yung pala masking to be, you know, a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Hindi natin napapansin yung mga yan. Sa totoo lang po. Kung magiging honest lang po talaga tayo at hindi nyo to titingnan as a competition or an offense, this is actually a program that will lift your life and your family's lives, especially the next generation. So what we usually do is we simply share financial literacy. We simply educate. We don't sell. We educate. Okay? Ikaw magde-decide kung gusto mong kumuha ng investment and we'll show you what we have done that is already proven and tested. May mga shares na kami kay Jollibee, BDO, BPI, Ayala, SM. Alright, may healthcare na ako. Fully paid na po yan. Tumutubo ng 10% every year. Plus, meron pa akong dividendo. Okay? And I have a cash flow every week. Na daig pa ang kinikita ko sa abroad kaya nag-for good na kami sa Pilipinas. We have a community where we have 60 plus benefits na magugulat po kayo. Membership pa lang po dito, one time, lifetime. Meron ka ng 100,000 pesos personal accident insurance, 50,000 pesos. Life insurance, 50,000 ho. Eh, di ba? Kung titingnan mo, ano ba yung mortuary company na yun na kung saan magbabayad ka ng 5 years, tapos magkano lang matatanggap mo kung tutuusin. Ito, one time, lifetime na membership, napakaliit, no? Sa halagang 6,000 member ka na, yung 1,000, iuhulog pa yan sa mutual fund mo. Mutual fund na tumutubo ng 15 to 18% a year tax-free in the Philippines. My goodness. So, imagine po nyo, no, yung inyong membership pa lang sa program na to as part of the community is already an amazing, amazing blessing. Too good to be true. Yan po, kala ko ganun, ano? But to realize, it's actually true. Again, our ambassadors are no other than Corina Sanchez, Senator Rafi Tulfo, and as I said, Brother Bo Sanchez. Nakasama po namin sa program na to. At marami po pong iba like Daniel Padilla and many others. So we are actually sharing the program to a lot of people all over the world. Again, ang aking pamamaraan po, create ko yung Cash Course program po na ito para makapagturo ng libre, walang bayad, no? Ma-reach out ko po kayong lahat sa buong mundo. This is not limited to the Philippines. This is for Filipinos all over the world who wants to learn personal finance or financial literacy. Okay? So my name is Gil Concha. I'm one of the CEO for IMG Wealth Academy Europe, or I'm also known as Mr. B Positive. All right? So dati po akong nag-networking, multi-level marketing. Ako po ay naging training consultant galing Europe, nag-for good sa Philippines. Pero lahat ng mga ito na-realize ko are all preparation for me to discover this amazing program in the financial industry, okay, learning financial literacy or personal finance. So I'm now an advocate of personal finance or financial literacy slash entrepreneurship, okay, where we are teaching Filipinos how to grow their money, how to grow their investments, how to grow their funds, transfer it to the next generation, okay, and become LOI, living on interest. Okay? So, yun lang po ang aking gustong i-share sa inyo. Maraming maraming salamat po once again. We hope that you go to the person who invited you, who shared you this presentation. And if you want the free access, just message us and we'd be happy to guide you and to help you and your family become financially free. Okay? So once again, very, very important. Okay? We'll see you in our next presentation, okay, to give you the full presentation of our financial literacy program. Okay? So kung meron po kayong katanungan, again, we will be creating a group chat for you. And also, by the way, we'll give you free 20,000 pesos accident insurance. Libre po yan kung kayo po ay a-attend ng aming libreng lecture online or face-to-face in Makati office. So, other than that, maraming salamat. God bless you at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Thank you po.